Well, the Hong Kong and the Singapore's rich individuals are interested in the crypto, and not just interested, they're even investing into the crypto. And this is not the report just randomized, this is the KPMG researched report. What this means for all of us, the cat is out of the bag. We have already known that $10 trillion asset manager BlackRock has entered into the crypto. The Bitcoin ETF has been formed. The biggest institutional adoption has been happening within the crypto. Facebook adopting to crypto related NFT, Instagram adopting to that, right? The banks are being opened into the metaverse, and the entire metaverse space is dependent onto the crypto. What this means is that if you are here within the crypto, you're watching this video right now, you are in a really crazy, amazing time. You are really at the right time in the crypto. And the question now comes, how do you utilize it to the maximum advantage? Right? Make sure you watch the video completely till the end. If you have not already subscribed to our channel, please ensure that you hit the subscribe button. This channel is everything about how do we grow your finances, right? As well as watch the video completely to understand how can you win one full complete Bitcoin 100% free. All you have to do is just sign up via our link to the best exchange in the world. Alright, so now coming back onto the report, the Hong Kong and Singapore's wealthy elite appear to be looking at digital assets with fervor after a new report from KPMG suggesting that over 90% of family offices and high net worth individuals are interested in investing in the digital asset space or have already done so. Now, the survey took the pulse from 30 family offices and high net worth individuals in Hong Kong and Singapore, with most respondents managing assets between $10 million to $500 million. Now, KPMG said that the large crypto uptake among the ultra wealthy has increased the confidence in the sector, spurred by the increase in the mainstream institutional attention. What does this simply mean? Again, the same thing, what I said. The biggest institutions are adopting into the crypto, right? People like Mark Cuban has said if he had to start all over again, he would choose the field of the NFT and the blockchain. That's how promising it is. The metaverse is unfolding, right? Facebook is betting tens of billions of dollars into the respective thing. Just that we are waiting for the micro environment to get better or the next bull run to come. Here's the thing. If let's say you entered into the crypto 2021 at the top, you entered at the wrong time, because from there, like literally people lost 90% of their portfolios from the altcoins. But right now is the best money making opportunity. And that is what I have been consistently talking about, guys. From here, let's say we go another 10% down, 20% down in the Bitcoin and the altcoins crush a little more. But we are already at the dead zone. We are already at almost the bottom zone. There might be a possibility that we might not be going that bottom. Like there might be reversal coming. I do not want all of you guys to miss upon and just wait for a specific number. I'm going to buy at 30,000 Bitcoin. No, do not wait for that. If you want to dollar cost average, you can dollar cost average, like invest something right now and then make a strategy. If it falls this much, I'm going to invest more. If it falls this below, I'm going to invest, go all in, right? That is still a better strategy. But do not just hold on to your cash right now. Why? Because the Fed is about to pivot. Like so much of the things have already, all the negative things, we are already in the blood and sweat. Now the time probably is for the little bit of relief. Now, Singapore's largest bank, DBS is the Development Bank of Singapore, announced in September that they were expanding the crypto services on its digital exchange to approximately 100,000 wealthy clients who meet the criteria around the income to be classed as accredited investors, ensuring adherence to financial authorities' view that the crypto assets are not suitable for retail investors. Again, this particular move, DBS entering into the crypto thing, definitely good. But the accredited investors, that's what the crypto was not known for. Crypto was for everybody, right? Anybody who wants, who can come in, invest in and make those 100x, 1000x, or probably even lose the big money, but at the same time has the potential of making the big money. I used to be wondering, like, who are those people who are getting into the private deals and getting 10,000x, 1000x, right? Those were only accredited investors. That means you have to have certain amount of money. But here within the DBS, it's not a great move to be considered. Like only 100,000 wealthy individuals will be able to invest. But anyways, this is part of the Singapore and the Hong Kong's news front. Now KPMG further noted that the regulatory clarity in the two countries could be changing for the better. For example, all virtual asset service providers in Hong Kong will have to apply for a license by March 2024. Singapore is also planning to broaden its cryptocurrency regulations. Hong Kong securities regulator recently announced it wants to allow retail investors to invest into the digital assets and to consider currency trading requirements. Now, what is the overall message from all of this, guys? The overall message I wanted to give to my audience is that do not be sitting onto your cash. Like, do not be sitting onto your knees and miss out this life-changing opportunity. There was a point in crypto when people did not know whether crypto is going to survive, whether Bitcoin is going to survive. Even then, like, the risk was pretty high. Right now, nobody doubts whether Bitcoin is going to survive. The biggest of the institutions are adopting. So this is a blessing in disguise that you are able to get all these coins at such a cheap price. So right now probably is one of the biggest opportunity of your lifetime. I mean, do not miss it out. That's what I wanted to convey. Again, guys, now coming back onto how can you win one full Bitcoin? It's all you have to do is just sign up to the best exchange in the world, which is the Binance exchange. The link is down below in the description. Make sure you click onto that link, register in the next 20-30 seconds. Buy or purchase your first crypto out there after completing your KYC. That's it. I'll even leave the quick video. How do you qualify? The best part about this is you do not just qualify for one time. Every time we complete 1,000 referral, let's say 5 years down the line, we have completed 10,000 referral. So 10 times we will be drawing the lucky draw and you will be eligible to win one full Bitcoin 10 times, right? You can even win let's say 5 Bitcoin just for signing up for once. You sign up once, forget about it, and every time we make the lucky draw, you will be part of that draw. You might be winning one full Bitcoin. So again, guys, I hope that you found the information helpful, guys. Again, all this information, I mean, every information that we grasp should have a double meaning message, that what is the action that we need to take from this. And without any doubt, these high net worth individuals understand that this is one of the biggest opportunities, one of the best opportunities to be investing into the best of the crypto projects, right? Because when the next bull market comes, probably another life-changing wealth making opportunity will be there. Right now is your chance. Still, the retail can get in. Do not miss out on this opportunity. So again, guys, I'll see all of you guys in the next video. Till then, bye-bye. Opportunity of a lifetime to win one full Bitcoin, and not just for the one time. In fact, every time we have 1,000 referral crossed, we will be doing the lucky draw and you will be qualified every time to participate for just doing one time task. What is that one time task? All you have to do is just sign up to Binance exchange with our referral link. The link is down below in the video description, or you can even use the QR code that you see on the screen. Deposit $100 and buy any crypto of your choice. The crypto is yours, the $100 is yours. That's it. You're qualified for the rest of your life to keep on winning one Bitcoin every time we reach 1,000 referral. All you have to do after that, email to us your Binance user ID at the email abdullah@abdullahzahid.com. Every 1,000 referral, we will select one random user and you are qualified every time we cross 1,000 referral, 2,000 referral, 3,000 referral. That means you can even win 10 Bitcoin. So all you have to do, again, I'll repeat, click the link down below in the description or the QR code. You will be landing up at the Binance sign up page. You click on sign up with phone or email or Google, whichever way you sign up. You deposit $100, you buy any crypto of your choice, and then just email your user ID to our email address. Where do you find your user ID? This is your dashboard. You click on profile and you click on dashboard. The moment you click, you will find at the screen your user ID and you just have to email to us. All the best for your lucky draw.